Hey everybody, join me today as we visit a private classic car show here in Tehachapi. So this car show we're going to today isn't an ordinary car show. You know, where there's a bunch of cars lined up in the street or in a big parking lot. There's spectators walking around taking pictures and everything. Apparently, this is more of an exclusive event. In order to be invited, you have to bring your own classic or rare car to put on display. But I don't have a classic or rare car, but I was invited by the guy who's hosting it, so I'm excited. Let's check it out.
Hi, my name is Hans Kahl. I'm the owner of Gold Coast Station, Tehachapi, which is a model train store, and also collect classic cars and tractors. And we're having our 7th annual car show today. And being November, we got lucky with the weather, but I always try to plan it that way.
It's a 1968 AMX. It has a AMC 390 cubic inch engine. However, this one has a few modern twists to it, such as aluminum heads, MSD, fuel injection. This is another cool thing, is AMC had the Space Saver spare. What it was a spare tire, and it would come with an air bottle. So if you got a flat tire, you hook up the air bottle and it would actually inflate to a full-size spare.
Looking here at a 63 Ford Galaxie 500 XL, convertible with the 390 on it. Pretty much all original. I drive it, pretty much drive it every day, drive it anywhere. I've always wanted one since I was a kid.
This is a 1964 E Type Jag Coupe. I have had it for maybe between about, I think, 14, 15 years. I thought it was just going to be a real quick, easy, you know, paint, fix it up a little bit and then be done. Well, 6 years later, I finished it. So I've been driving it around, and I still have little things that I'm doing to fine tune it. When they come up, they go, "Oh, your wire wheels look so nice. Doesn't that take forever to do it?" And I go, I could not wait till I got to the point where I could just sit down and clean my wire wheels.
It's a 1942 Chrysler New Yorker business coupe. As far as I know, it's the only one left. There were only 158 made. And I've only had it for a few weeks. I bought it from Wisconsin and had it shipped out, and this is my first Audi. It's all original. It's got the straight 8 and the fluid drive transmission.
I bought it as a $3,000 wonder car. It had original Chevy 262 suspension, which was wrecked, and that's the reason why the guy sold it to me, because I scared the crap out of him every time I took him for a ride in it.
'67 they made 2,554 Marlins. That's all there are in the whole world. And only 95 of them came with the factory 4-speed, and only 30 of those came with a 290 engine like this one. So this is one of 30. We think it's the only one that's red with red interior. Probably the only one in existence. So it's a rare car, and rare in the rare car world.
It's a 1964 Impala Super Sport. It's a lowrider, hydraulics. Usually at the lowrider shows, but yeah.
Hey, were you at the Tehachapi car show maybe 4 weeks ago or something like that? I think I saw you driving there.
We only going to use water, and we use like a spray wax that we use to finish the outside so you can get a good shine on it.
Old cheapest car you could buy at that time. About 53,000 miles on it now. It comes to South Dakota. And the reason why it came there because nobody drove cars in South Dakota.
Well, it's a 1929 Ford built by Shay. Made them back in '79, about, I don't know how many they made, and they gave them to the Ford dealers to sell. It's got a Pinto motor in it, Mustang chassis with rack and pinion, disc brakes.
It's my '63 Thunderbird convertible. Looks the way it looks when I bought it, but mechanically it wasn't running, so had to do a lot of work on it.
Ford Thunderbird, and it was frame-off restoration in 2014, and it was a CTCI Gold Award winner in 2014 for Thunderbird.
Everybody's having a good time, I hope, and the weather was cooperating. Thank you.